A great way to save time during the week is to have a go bag ready to go. This week, my husband and I are already talking about kayaking and maybe sitting at the lake just in an evening to watch a sunset. So I don't want to scramble on Monday afternoon at 5 o'clock to try to get everything together. I just want to be ready so we can go. We have a big bag, a single bag, towels, a beach blanket that I didn't wrap up very well, hat, dry bag for a phone, goggles in case the kids want to go to a pool, hair ties, bug spray, sunblock, lip balm with sunblock. I have my insulated cup ready to go, and I also added in a waterproof Bluetooth speaker in case we go to the beach. I don't ever like when people turn them up real loud, but if you're off by yourself and there aren't a lot of other people around, that's nice to have. So we'll get ready with my beach blanket, towel for my husband and I. I'm gonna keep a backup in my car in case we have any kids that want to go to the pool one night this week. They haven't talked about it, they're getting older. So probably won't do that. And then I have a bag for the bug spray, lip balm, block, Bluetooth speaker. We'll take, I'll add the hat in here. I know I'm not gonna need that. So I actually plan to put both in my car. This is backup in case I need it, and there's a quick change of plans, so I have those extra things. But my husband and I will be completely ready to go with the bag as is if we go kayaking or we sit on the beach at sunset. Okay, let me know how you pack, and would love if you would like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.